Grower's mash is the feed given to the bird, just as the name implies, at the grower stage. That is from the 8th week or from the 9th week to the 20th week. Yes. So after you finish giving them your chicks mash from the 1st week to the 7th week, so from the 8th week or from the 9th week as you decide, so you now introduce your grower's mash. This grower's mash is the feed they will eat until they mature for egg production from the 8th week to the 20th week of the production, and that prepares them for the egg synthesis. So grower's mash is similar to the layer's mash. The major significant difference is the premix. Yes, the grower's mash uses grower's premix, while the layer's mash uses what? Layer's premix. So as a matter of fact, the percentage value of other feed ingredients there might be similar, just a bit difference from the layers mash. So of course the layers mash require 2,500 to 2,600 kilocalorie per kg metabolizable energy, while the growers mash is 2,600 kilocalorie per kg metabolizable energy. It should not be lower than that. So those are the two major difference from the layers mash. Another one might be the calcium value. Of course, you can make it the same calcium value from that grower's mash, but it is advised you reduce your hand a bit from the grower's mash so that by the time you introduce your layer's mash, it will be richer in calcium. Do you understand? So, as a matter of fact, these are the things you need to know before formulating your grower's mash. So, grower's mash, of course, requires 16% crude protein, which is the same with that of the layers. So, we want to formulate grower's mash using the following feed ingredients: maize, maize offal, soybean cake, bone meal, lysine, methionine, premix, salt, and a natural spice, garlic. Garlic has, medicinal and nutritional values. Yes, it has antibiotic qualities, it has antiseptic qualities, it is multipurpose spice. So let's go. So these are the list of feed ingredients we want to use for the grower's mash formulation. Yes, we have maize for 5% with maize offal. So this maize offal can be called maize jam in case you did not see maize offal in your book. So it is called maize jam. Maize offal is the combination of the maize pericarp, the embryo, and the other starchy portions obtained by processing maize into maize flour. Yes. Then soybean cake, SBC, bone meal, lysine, methionine, premix, salt, and natural spice, garlic. So now, we want to calculate the energy value of this combination and the crude protein value so that we will know whether it is in line with the requirements of the grower, which requires 2,600 kilocalorie per kg metabolizable energy and 16% crude protein. So let's go. 45/100 times the energy value of maize, which is 3,400, and that will give you 1530. Then 20/100 times 2,500. 2,500 is the energy value of maize offal, and that will give you 500. 22/100 times 2,700, and that will give you 594. So when you sum up, you'll be having 2,624. Yes, this is the total energy value of this combination of these ingredients at these percentage values. So now we have 2,624 kilocal per kg ME. Now let's obtain the protein value. On the aspect of the protein value, you do the similar job. 45 over 100 times the crude protein value of maize, which is 10, and that will give you 4.5. 20 over 100 times 11, which is the crude protein of maize offer, and that will give you 2.2. 22 over 100 times 44, which is the crude protein of soybean cake, and that will give you 9.68. Sum up, you'll be having 16.38% CP. Yes, 16.38% CP. So the total protein value of this combination now is 16.3% CP, which is in line with the protein requirement of the growers. So 16.38% CP. Now, you will now decide the quantity of the grower's mash you want to formulate. Assuming you want to formulate 50 bags, 20 bags, 10 bags, so you will decide the quantity based on the quantity of birds you want to feed or the amount of money you have at hand in that moment. Yes, these are the things that decides the quantity you want to formulate. Of course, you will not eat it yourself. You are going to serve the birds. So if you have 1,000 birds, you will not formulate the same quantity with somebody that have 10,000 birds in the stock. Do you understand? Now, for you to calculate the quantity you want to formulate, assuming you want to formulate 500 kg of feed, for instance, you now say 45 over 100 times 500. So whatever answer you get, you write it here. 20 over 100 times 500. Yes, whatever answer you get, you put it. 20 over 100 times 500. 5 over 100 times 500. 0.5 over 100 times 500. 0.5 over 100 times 500. 1.5 over 100 times 500. 0.5 over 100 times 500. 3 over 100 times 500. So the quantities, the answers you are getting from here are the quantities of those individual feed ingredients you are going to use in the formulation. So that is all you need to do about your formulation. You will now use those answers, those quantities, to go and measure your feed ingredients that is required for this particular feed formulation. And as you do that, if you want to package it for market, that is now when you would decide how long do I want the feed to last before it can expire. So if you want to make it 60 days, that is 2 months. You can use preservative of 2 months. If you want to make it 90 days, that is 3 months. You can use preservative of what? 90 days. So, and after which, you now begin to process your NAFDAC and the SON, that is Standard Organization of Material Approval, if you are in Nigeria. So other countries have the agencies that regulate the quality of their products. Yes, so I only know of Nigeria that you must process your NAFDAC registration and you must process your SON approval before you can package anything food or drug for market. So if you want to package your feed for market, then you will have to contact me so that I will guide you on how to get those preservative, the quality and the quantity of preservative to add, and the particular brand you will use to give you what you need, and then how to process your NAFDAC registration and the Standard Organization of Material Approval. I will give you the guideline, what they need, what you must have before you can now approach them. So when you do that, of course, you have no problem. But if you try to package your feed for market without the approval of these, agencies, my brother, you are on your own. So if you have any question, you drop it at the comment section. Please, as you watch, always help us click at the subscription button so that you can subscribe to encourage us do more. We are actually, putting a lot of resources together to come up with these packages So please do assist us, do support us by subscribing so that we'll be able to sponsor some of the requirements to put all these things together. Yes, actually, all this we have been formulating, we are going to come up with the practical so that you'll be seeing those ingredients. Because some of you don't know what is methionine, some don't know what is lysine. If I give you lysine and methionine, some of you might not be able to differentiate it. So it is when you support us, I will be able to gather some of those material because feed ingredients are quite expensive in the market now. So if you know, you know. So encourage us to do more by clicking on the subscription button. Subscribe is just a small amount of money there so that I'll be able to, put more resources to make this more, attractive for farmers. So thank you for watching. Thank you as you watch and subscribe. Thank you as you watch and share. Thank you as you watch and like. God bless you. See you in our next package. Bye.